How to log in into Sephora Credit Card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in www.community.net/Sephora and search for it. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now over here you will find card options, Sephora Visa Credit Card, Sephora Credit Card. Go ahead and select the option of Sephora Credit Card. Click on it. Now click on this option of Sign In. With that, you will land to the login page. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. Firstly, type in your username and then type in your password. In the case you want to remember your login info, check in for this option. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you feel this, click on the option of Sign In, and with that, you will be logged into your account. So this way, you can easily log in into Sephora Credit Card account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.